Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a mid-tine tiller. Before you begin, always prioritize safety by wearing eye protection, hearing protection, and sturdy boots. Check your tiller's oil and fuel levels and ensure all controls function correctly. Clear your work area of any rocks or debris that could cause damage or injury. Taking these initial steps ensures a safe and efficient tilling experience for everyone involved. For optimal results, till your soil when it's moist but not overly wet, as extremely dry or saturated ground can be challenging. Begin with a shallow pass, setting the tilling depth to approximately 2 to 4 inches to gently break up the surface. Remember to overlap each pass by about 1/3 of the tiller's width. This ensures thorough coverage and prevents any untouched patches in your garden bed. To achieve deeper cultivation, make additional passes, gradually increasing the tilling depth by 1 to 2 inches each time. Maintain a consistent, controlled pace, allowing the tiller's tines to work effectively without forcing the machine. For superior soil aeration and comprehensive weed control, consider tilling in a crosshatch pattern. This involves making your second set of passes perpendicular to your initial tilling direction. Once you've finished tilling, it's crucial to clean the tines thoroughly, removing any accumulated soil, roots, or plant debris. Take a moment to inspect your tiller for any signs of damage and perform routine maintenance, such as checking the spark plug and air filter. Finally, store your machine in a dry, protected location, ensuring the fuel tank is either full with a stabilizer or completely emptied for long-term storage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.